All right, guys. Give me not even 5 minutes at a time. Tuesday, February 17th, 8:53. Drop analysis every day right now. Let's get it. Um, NQ is bearish off the daily. Let's go to the daily. So look at the daily. Got this low high. Predetermined CRT level. Price is either looking at this higher low, which I kind of doubt, and take out these daily buyers this low and this one of weeks, previous week's low. And I'm not even gonna talk about this low. But right now, this is what we're talking about. This is what we see right now in front of our face. Right now. Right now. We have a low, lower high. Trying to make a lower low. Where to stop it at? Um, we have these 4 hour buys we just tapped into. We get an indication. Price corrected. Open Asia and sold off. Trying to make a lower low. It's wicked. Couldn't make a lower low. Okay. 1 hour. I see we have a low, lower high from right here. I see that we sold sharply down right here. Let me turn this off for a second. I see that we sold sharply from right here, right, right there. So if I really wanted to, attack these buyers, come back up to this 790 range, 7. Actually, come back and tap into this 775 range and resume the dump. Mind you, we have a strong draw for today. Why do I say we have a strong draw? Because we have daily buyers here. We have not tapped into. Mind you, we're coming off a lower high. The selling pressure is picking up because of this lower high. Price want to dump? It's because of this high. Look what we did previously under this level as well. Dumped, dumped. Let's go back to the one but it's a quick analysis. I'm not gonna waste your time. This is what I'm seeing for NQ for right now. GC. GC is acting stubborn. Went to New York. GC is coming off a low, higher high, higher low. Failed to make a higher high. Drop down to more buyers. This is a fake out. We pushed up. Oh, as we failed to make this higher high, we made a new low. Fake out. We didn't come all the way down. Price pushed up. Made a lower high. Failed to make this lower low. Right here. Price failed to make this lower low. Right now, because we're coming off a lower high and we failing to make this lower low, we're stuck in this range, right? Mind you, these lines is like predetermined. I want to say CRT levels, but it's predetermined key levels for price to react off of. So we got this low, lower high. Price tap back into, failed to make this high. Look for price to tap back into this range as well. Trying to wait for New York. Price is like gold is actually really acting stubborn right now. But this is the 4 hour for GC. For GC, yeah, we already made another low as well here, right? Oh snap, sorry. Here. So you could wait for price to come back up and tap into 970 or they already tapped 964. It's actually don't look bad. If we go want to sell, it really could sell now. But I would honestly want to say anything below 939.8 was selling gold. Um, like I said, we're feeling to make this. We're fighting to overtake these buyers here to make this lower low. This is price is coming up this lower high. So it's right now, that's what I see for gold. I got in this trade yesterday. Got in right here, took a risk, had to have a wide stop. because price could have came back and tapped into the supply right here. But remember, simply got in just off the basics of the structure itself, bro. Like lower low, we got lower high. Prices fell, prices fell. We broke again. Like, you know what I mean? Like it's just like what it's doing. Like it's giving complete bear structure. But as far as today analysis goes, um, gold could sell down here, but I'm gonna just keep it PG-13. Anything below 941 could sell on gold. Wait a minute, it's sell. Well, trading view is terrible. What's the word? Am I not logged in? Hold on, guys. Anyways, I have an alert. Yeah, I don't think I'm logged in. This must be the wrong account. I don't know. Anyways, I would have set alert here. And I'm looking for gold to sell even more than what it is now. In Q, oh, we just went over in Q. Oil, oil rejected here. Ooh, yeah, oil's moving, huh? We stopped right here and we don't. I wouldn't be surprised if oil did all this just to come back up. We stopped right here and we don't. That is insane. That is insane. Um, all right, last one, last one, last one, last one. Euro USD. We're gonna be getting this trade. I got the weekly. That's the last one. All right, so I can see a Euro USD clear as day. We tapped into overall. Overall, we tapped into a weekly supply level here, right? We tapped into it here, right? So that's what this week was from. Um, Overall though, it's like clear direction. We just coming off a higher low. Price is falling. So right now, if we do sell in Euro USD, it'll just be a correction just to come back up. Go to the daily. So remember that weekly supply level we coming off that we tapped into. That's what we delivered on of right now. And by me by me knowing that, coming to the weekly, by me knowing that this is a overall supply we tapping into. Supply, right? I can literally see that this weekly back in what the second, we have a high, we have a CRT low. Previous week's candle with the last previous weeks before that candle it closed inside. So it's a good chance we can trade back inside the range to complete this CRT high to CRT low sweep and target the CRT low right here. Mind you, we did wick aggressively right here, right? And then it's made a range and then wicked again. So I'm looking for price to at least come back to the CRT range here at 1.17657. And oh, forgot to go over one thing. This bullish close. Price opened, we closed, we wicked the CRT high, right? And by in doing so, In doing so, we made, let me delete that. We made price wick and trade, just trying to trade back inside the range. We have this open, we have this close, then we have this open, and then price eventually gonna close down here. If I want to sell, I want to sell above what? Open, close. We have an open. I want price to get back because I'm selling. I want price to get back below this previous bullish close, which is buyers what? Mm, sellers open, basically open price that it needs to sell down to, sell under before I was to hop in sales and do anything, right? Which so we just tapping some resistance down here too as well. Um, but yeah, I'm looking for price to first target could be here, I guess. But if anything, I'm gonna target the CRT low. And price could do a nice pullback here as well. Path, boom, boom. We still can make a high. Still didn't want to make a low. We still couldn't make a high. Price is still probably not trying to make a low either. We could correct more. That's what I have planned for the USD. As far as like intraday, as far as go, because I'm still testing out your USD for intraday. Let's see, we do have some buyers we just tapped into, so let me see if I can come up with an intraday plan. Um, I can clearly see price broke here, made this lower high, and it's trying to continue, make a lower low. So price really wanted to, hmm, not even gonna use that one. Let me use this one. There we go. Price could come back up. Do the same thing NQ trying to do, I guess. Tap back into gold is gold is trying to sell. I just said if it's below, I should have dropped this video ahead of time. God dang it, this I just woke up earlier. That's my first time doing these analysis like this. So you see like we just tapped into some buyers down here as well. If your USD really wanted to, it could shoot back up. 1.8422 and resume dumping as well. I want to see what it does here when it comes with that. I have that marked up there. And I want to see what your USD does. Because overall, this is just internal. We still have to come lower for external. So the CRT, how we trade is external. We don't really worry about the internal levels. We trade things that actually move the market. Actually move the fucking market for real. Not some internal, all that crap. I'm not saying it's crap, but it'll get you caught up in stuff sometimes if you don't know what you're doing. And then you end up losing money because it's trying to go to an external level. Whole time. Look at this 1 hour though. I don't really count this as a close. It could sell down, but I don't count this. I wouldn't count that. That doesn't look healthy. That's only after 1 hour too, by the way. Going to the daily. Yeah, the daily might fake out all the way back up to here. Like I was saying. We tapped into some minor resistance. We just close to TP too. It's crazy. Um gold is golden. Oh my goodness gracious. Check EQ one more time. And then I can send this video off to you guys. Yep, NQ is definitely trying to do what I am trying to see. All right. But that's it. Let me send this video off to you guys and in Discord.